So here we have cylinder cutout engine, cylinder 6 misfire. Customer did a plug, didn't fix the issue, so I ran a compression test and found that the compression was 150 versus a gut cylinder 150, letting me know that everything's good in the engine. But as soon as I run a running compression test, it only went up to 10 on cylinder number 6. Cylinder number 4, which is next to it, went up to 70 while it was running. So that let us know that there's a problem in the valve train. And as we can see, cylinder 4, cylinder 6, this is cylinder 6. It's got too much excessive play, possible lifter, camshaft. We're gonna take this engine apart and inspect it and see what it needs, fix it.